Using scrap styrofoam, cut long square tubes. Then trim the tube to make it into a cylinder. This will be the fingers for your hands. Cut each section of finger individually until you have formed the entire hand. Cut a piece to make the palms. Trim and sand it smooth. Use wire to connect the fingers. Then shape your hand any way you want it to be. Once you figured out the shape, use hot glue to glue each piece of finger on individually, keeping the shape that you want. You can do a little carving to make your hand look more realistic at this time. Use hot glue to glue in between each knuckle and fill in any cracks. Then cover the entire hand with hot glue, kind of like veins, but this will be the skin of the hand. Once you finish this, you can paint it any way you like using acrylic paint. I painted mine black, but you could paint it a flesh colored, you could paint it white for a ghost, you could even make them bloody, gory hands. Thanks, guys.